I am Bishwadeep Shom. I have come from Kolkata and this is my fourth ride with Cycle Adventure India.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रितु एल है और मैं जम्मू से हूँ.
I'm Deepak Todi from Faridabad.
My name is Anshul Ahel and I'm about 22 years old.
Hi, I'm Kavita Rao. I'm from Bangalore.
Hi, my name is Seema. I'm coming from Bangalore.
Hi, good evening. I'm Dr. Rajesh Ahel. I'm a pediatric dental specialist and I'm from Jammu.
Hello, I'm Murli Krishna Karkhanke. I'm from Bangalore.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Tour of Deserts 2025 edition. So the brief of the day is today we are in Jaipur, tomorrow we are at Pushkar, day after tomorrow we are in Jodhpur, then Jodhpur city tour, day 2 next to Pokhran, Jaisalmer and ending at Longowal border back to Jaisalmer. So that's your all days of itineraries and journey from Tour of Deserts and Sports Network India. We thanks our sponsors and support team, that's Cycle Adventures India, Sena, Ride Connected, who have given us the Bluetooth helmets and speakers for you. Then we have Flow Life with us, who are got all your accessories for your smooth journey and post your everyday ride, your physiotherapy and all the recoveries and all. Coming to the bags, guys, let's welcome the Tour of Deserts bag. These are for your bicycles, a waterproof one with your names, blood groups, your cards with numbers for your luggage bags, numbers for your bicycles. First priority, safety. Coffees, हम रास्ते में तो पिएंगे, Steadfast. Gels, which are by Uniweb. Wet wipes, where shark tubes are there for everyone. Biscuits, Nimbu Pani. Electrolytes, we have Diet Cokes, we have Sprite, Coke cans, we have lemonades, we have Nimbu Panis. Everything will be at every counter at every 40 kilometers. Let the tour of deserts 2025 begin.
फैंटास्टिक एकदम मौसम एकदम बढ़िया है एंड आई थिंक वी चोज द राइट टाइम टू अरेंज TOD.
It was a beautiful start to the TOD, and the first 40 kilometers just awesome. Jaipur weather was so good, and the whole arrangements of TOD is so nice. Really eagerly looking forward to the rest of the day.
रिलैक्स्ड अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं वापस राइड कर पाऊँ।
Pretty powerful. जब से पिछला स्टॉप था लाइक लास्ट 40 किलोमीटर्स बड़े स्मूथ, रोड भी बड़ी अच्छी साफ, बस धूप और तेज़ हो गई तो वो अभी देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं ब्रेक के बाद 30 किलोमीटर लास्ट, बट ओवरऑल रियली फन.
Whatever turns in the mid there is, so Aman will be there to turn. Okay, so please follow up that car only.
Oh, it was nice. It was quite initially easy riding because of the generally level and good surface. So we could make good progress. And thanks to the great support all along the way, hydration, nutrition was great support. So we could enjoy the ride. Oh, it was great. A new adventure. Nice ride.
Initially it was very, very pleasant. We were doing an average speed of 33 kilometers per hour on highway. We covered great distance before breakfast. And then the heat, we could experience some heat, so we slowed down a bit. But overall it was a great ride of 150k. First day, done.
No, it was wonderful. Morning it was very, very pleasant, and afternoon it was little scorchy heat. But road was nice, and the ride was also, and people have rode in a good pace, and all in all, it was a good road.
रेडी सर। दिन बहुत लंबा है, रोड बहुत लंबा है, बट हमें डटे रहना है।
आज तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है एकदम, रोज भी अच्छा था, वेदर भी बढ़िया एंड प्रिटी कोल्ड, ट्रैफिक बिल्कुल भी नहीं, और एकदम जो है मक्खन के जैसे बटन में मक्खन लगाते हैं ना, इस तरह से राइड अब तक का वैसे ही चला।
Very nice. We had beautiful weather and a kind of downhill, so I think we rode nicely in a train and really enjoyed it.
Very nice ride. Very cold early morning we started. So we did cover a lot of kilometers because of flats and downhill. Now the heat has caught us and we are just managing through.
sun is getting tired. We are pretty tired, but enough drinking water, and now lunch finally. 120 kilometers. Yeah, good. Legs feel good.
अभी तक का सफ़र बहुत बढ़िया रहा है और पूरे ग्रुप में आई थिंक सभी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं, इकट्ठे चल रहे हैं, तो इससे और सफ़र का मज़ा और दुगना होता जा रहा है। कोई अकेले नहीं रह रहा है, एक दूसरे की वेट कर रहे हैं और साथ में फुल ऑन सपोर्ट है, तो इसलिए कोई टेंशन की बात ही नहीं है। वेदर हाँ ठीक है, अब रेगिस्तान में आए तो रेगिस्तान की गर्मी तो खानी है, बट ऑल वर्थ इट आई थिंक।
Now the heat has come little down, and after lunch it is little difficult, but still we are carrying on.
I am having Mawa. I first tasted Kalakan, but then I am told technically it is Mawa. But it tastes the same. It is amazingly good. Matri is amazingly good.
amazing road. We've enjoyed the road and the weather till now, and we were waiting for breakfast and we're finally here.
Today we are just 20 kilometers away from Dechu. और आज का राइड बहुत ही वंडरफुल. द रोड वाज टुडे वी गॉट द फील ऑफ द रोड. आज का रोड बहुत ही परफेक्ट था. लेस ट्रैफिक और इवनली नो होल्स, नो पॉट होल्स एंड very good ride. I enjoyed it very much. Thank you.
Going smooth, very nice. Enjoying the roads today. It's been amazing. We have a lot of headwind today, but we're riding in a peloton, and it's been good.
हाँ, रिसोर्ट पे पहुंच गए हैं. हाँ, रिसोर्ट बहुत बढ़िया है. रिसोर्ट पे पहुंचते ही राइड का पता ही नहीं चला. और अब हम लंच वंच करेंगे, रिलैक्स करेंगे, फिर हमें सफारी पे जाना है. सभी बहुत लंबा सफ़र है आज का. सारा थकान उतारना है और मज़ा भी लेना है. थैंक्स टू टूर ऑफ डेजर्ट्स. बहुत अच्छा है.
आज की राइड बहुत मज़ेदार थी और जैसे हमने सोचा था तो सुबह का टाइम हमने यूज़ किया ताकि सन हमें कम लगे, बट अच्छा मज़ेदार था. थैंक्स टू टूर ऑफ डेजर्ट्स. बहुत अच्छा इंतज़ाम था. हाइड्रेशन बिल्कुल सही थी. ब्रेकफास्ट अच्छा था. अब थोड़ा रिलैक्स करेंगे. राइड ख़त्म हो गई.
आज की राइड हमने शुरू की आराम से 6 बजे. वेरी गुड वेदर. ओवरऑल बहुत बढ़िया रोड्स रही. हवा भी चल रही थी. सो very pleasant ride, enjoyable, and 120 kilometers we did in a very good time here by lunch. Now we'll enjoy the property. Dechu.
good morning. Lovely ride, lovely morning. Bit of chill, headwinds, lovely thing, and lovely road. Makhan jaisi road hai. Maza aa gaya.
We had a wonderful ride until now, about 27 kilometers. And it was a ride with the moon, and the sun is also rising behind us. And it is a beautiful straight stretch, and it was great leading the team today.
So we started 5:30 a.m. and the road was silky smooth. The temperature was like 15 degrees. We were able to push like 28-30 kilometers per hour. So we all enjoyed as a group, and it was sort of a ride in the dark a little bit, but the lights from the support vehicles and some headlights helped us great.
Amazing morning, beautiful weather, awesome roads, and we went in a pace line. It was just thrilling.
We're almost at the end of it. I think it's about last 5 kilometers to go. We are waiting to regroup with the rest of the riders. It's been an amazing tour, fantastic support, fantastic planning. So, and we've enjoyed all the roads, and the whole group is amazing. We had a great time.
Oh जी मज़ा आ गया. Finally the destination has been reached. वो ना टिंटिन की एक कॉमिक है, Destination Moon. बस वैसा ही लग रहा है.
Very good, thank you. Thank you for great support, made it possible. Enjoyed the roads. Very unique experience. Wonderful tour.
How was the ride? How was the ride? How was the ride?
My first trip with Rohan and Company Tour of Deserts, and I really loved every moment of it. Good rides, good roads, very well planned, meticulously planned, distances, so really enjoyed everything.
So we have completed a fantastic tour of deserts, 4 days of amazing roads, and fantastic crew support we had from Rohan and team. And we've enjoyed every bit of it, and all the riders were amazing. We did a great teamwork, and we enjoyed it. Superb. We'd love to come back again.
कितनी जगह है पीछे फोटो खींचने के लिए, आराम से पीछे से खींचो। कौन सी लास्ट को आए?
Cheers for Tour of Deserts! Come to the end of Tour of Deserts for 2025 edition. First of all, we give a big round of applause for everyone who covered it.
I must thank each one of you. It was a huge learning for me this time, learning from each bit.
I was told there will be flat roads, but experiencing that was a different thing. I mean, to be able to ride at that pace and holding on to that was an amazing experience, because riding through the heart of Rajasthan and experiencing the local, culture, the cuisine, it was really nice. And
सपोर्ट किया आफ्टर लंच heat I can't tolerate the heat and thanks for everyone.
Wonderful trip, enjoyed myself. The members were excellent, all the riders were excellent. Although I was tagging behind, but I was trying to pull, and last day I think so I pulled through.
Different terrain I rode, but not on this terrain, and it has been a learning experience riding with like a MiG-21 and Rafale riding side by side. Still, it was MiG-21 was able to catch up
In a big way.
yeah. So old horse, MiG-21 is an old horse. So old horse was able to pull on. So that gives me a lot of comfort.
As people have expressed, I also want to say that you conducted it very well. The support was excellent, and the content and variety of activities made it something to remember for all time.
So coming together on such a trip was itself very pleasurable, and yeah, a lot to take in from the many experienced riders we have here.
And arranging a tour like this and making it happen, and also making it successful is really great. Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
a big round of applause for you.
I've come with my husband Shekhar, and Tour of Deserts has truly been a wonderful experience for us. It's very unique because we have not ridden in this kind of a terrain, and Cycle Adventures and the team has put together a beautiful program where you ride just through the heart of Rajasthan, and we get to see the natural, the local cuisine, experience the local cuisine, and see the local cultures. It was such a wonderful experience for all of us, and the team has done an amazing job in terms of support, and we had very good support all through the rides, and we really enjoyed this tour.
And we had this my whole family had a great honor of being part of this tour of desert. This desert tour was been very meticulously planned, and the hydration, everything has been taken care of. The routes have been very wisely selected, and the best part is the people who joined us today on this tour, fantabulous people. The support team, fantabulous. We've had such good interactions with people who were part of this group. We were well taken care of, and the most important part, we enjoyed the rides right from Jaipur till Jaisalmer. So a great kudos to the whole team, the support team, the planning, the execution, as well as the great rides we all had together.
This time I was informed at the design stage that such a trip is he is planning, and then only I gave my consent that I will be joining, and here I am. The planning has been perfect. The route, although looked little long, but I did not find any problem, and it was smooth. Although the route is little monotonous, but for riding experience wise, it is perfect. And it is I would suggest people who have little experience in riding not a novice type, they should definitely come and try and have experience. Mountains we all have done, deserts we don't see much of an option. So this gives a good option for riders to explore this part, and I wish more and more riders will be interested in this route and come and join. You will also come and enjoy.
And it was an excellent tour in ways of everything, the planning of the route and the food, the technicians, the photography, and everything was taken care of very beautifully. Although the first day from Jaipur to Pushkar, we had heavy traffic there. We had to go a little slow, but we were in bunches and taking care of one another. So we managed, and that was very good. And from Pushkar onwards, Pushkar we enjoyed the Mela. It was fantastic. From Pushkar we moved to Jodhpur. Jodhpur again was fantastic. After Jodhpur we went to Dechu, which was another beautiful ride. And from Dechu we moved to Jaisalmer. And that was the best route. The last route was the Silk route. Through the desert, we were thirsty. Every moment we were asking for water, and we were drinking and quenching our thirst. And all around the desert, thorns and bushes, but a marvelous journey, which no one should miss going through this tour. It is excellently planned, and the tourism day, last day, which turned out to be a tourism day, was fantastic too. They took us to a 0-point border between India, Pakistan, and then we went to Longewal and saw everything there. And finally, the desert safari was excellent. Everything all in a pack, superb.
तो अभी हमने टूर द डेजर्ट्स ख़त्म किया है. इट वॉज अ 7-day एक्सपेडिशन जिसमें साइकिलिंग के साथ साथ कल्चरल हेरिटेज राजस्थान की एक्सप्लोर करने का हमें मौका मिला. इससे पहले मैं राजस्थान जयपुर आई हुई थी, पुष्कर आई हुई थी, बट इस साइड ये जोधपुर, जैसलमेर, लौंगोवाल ये वाला बेल्ट नहीं देखा हुआ था. तो ये ट्रिप ऐसे प्लान किया हुआ था कि थोड़ी साइकिलिंग, थोड़ा कल्चरल हेरिटेज भी बहुत अच्छे से बैलेंस किया हुआ था. जैसे जिस दिन हमने लॉन्ग राइड की तो एक दिन हमें जोधपुर में हॉल्ट मिल गया, जिससे हमें रेस्ट भी हो गया और हमें जोधपुर सिटी एक्सप्लोर करने का भी मौका मिला. उसके अगले दिन डिस्टेंस छोटा था, दीचू का था. उसके बाद फिर जैसलमेर, जैसे हम कल पहुँचे जैसलमेर, तो आज हम जैसलमेर भी सारा देख पाए हैं. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस वे ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग आर कल्चरल हेरिटेज, जिसमें हम साइकिलिंग के माध्यम, मतलब हमारे साइकिलिस्ट चाहते हैं कि हम हर एक चीज़ साइकिल पर एक्सप्लोर करें. पता नहीं ये माइंड में कीड़ा होता है कि शायद बॉर्डर तक जाएंगे, साइकिल पर जाएंगे. तो इसके साथ साथ अगर हमें जैसे सपोर्ट टीम में और रेस्ट डेज मिल जाते हैं बीच में, तो हम सिटी को ज़्यादा अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. तो बहुत बैलेंस्ड ट्रिप था ये, एंड आई थिंक सारे राइडर्स ये एक बार ज़िंदगी में हमेशा कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए ये नहीं चाहिए कि आप बहुत अच्छे राइडर्स ही कर सकते हैं इस रूट को. इट्स अ वेरी ईजी रूट टू डू.
सो वेरी ग्रेट and a unique experience for us all to be together in a multi-day cycling tour of Rajasthan, which I haven't visited since I was very small, when Jaipur being our main city when we last visited, and getting to see it through a cycle journey. It's a total different perspective which you usually don't get while going on a car or just visiting 2 or 3 touristic places. So very well planned out, like from the forts we visited, the markets, the food we ate, the support. Couldn't think of anything better. And before joining the tour, so worried, I've never done 100 kilometers plus in a day, multiple days going on, how will I do it and so forth. But turns out that it's possible, and especially with the kind of support also from the physiotherapy being there, the machines, helped us relieve our pains, get back on a cycle the next day. So very enjoyable, and you must try it.
I got to know about this tour from one of my co-riders, Kavita ma'am, and I'm so glad that I could make it to this, and I was free on these days and I could do this tour. And I'd heard a lot about Rajasthan roads, that they were flat and it's easy to ride and it's enjoyable, and I'm very happy that I could experience it here. Every day was a great experience. Every day had a different type of experience and new things, and the co-riders were really good, helping each other and helping out whenever required. And the last day, the ride, early morning ride under the moon, was really magical. We enjoyed really that morning ride. And coming to the team, fantastic arrangements. Starting from stay to food and on ride support and everything. So we enjoyed it, and we had a great time. Thank you so much.
And nothing can touch it. I think Cycle Adventure India has created a nice brand in Tour of Desert, TOD in the short form. I wish them all the best, because they are offering something very unique which other tours may not be able to offer. I'm pretty sure international riders will be participating in this in the coming rides. I wish them all the very best, and hopefully we'll ride this again. And I'll highly recommend for anybody without any hesitation to come and participate in this tour. Thank you.